Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich and festive dessert, Dahi Malpua. Soft syrup soaked and beautifully flavored with cardamom, this traditional sweet will melt in your mouth. Malpua batter preparation. In a bowl, take half cup curd, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix it well. Dahi adds softness and a light tang to the traditional Malpua. Now add 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons semolina. Malpua is one of the oldest Indian desserts, believed to date back to Vedic times, and 1 cup water. Mix until smooth and lump-free. Let the batter rest while we prepare the syrup. Now the sugar syrup preparation. In a pan, take half cup sugar and 1 cup water. Bringing to a boil, add a few strands of soaked saffron. Saffron not only gives color but also adds a royal aroma. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes until it slightly thickens. Set aside and keep warm. Frying the malpua. Heat oil over medium heat. Pour a ladle of batter and fry gently until both sides turn golden brown. Always fry on medium heat to prevent undercooked center. Remove and soak each malpua in the warm sugar syrup for a few seconds. Keep the syrup warm, not hot, for the perfect soak. Curds support digestion and adds probiotics. Semolina provides a good dose of iron and energy. Cardamom has antioxidants and helps with bloating. Garnish with chopped dry fruits and serve warm. A homemade sweet like this is free from preservatives or artificial flavor. Is Dahi Malpua your festive favorite too? Let us know below. Like, share and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies for more homemade recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking and see you next time.